Greetings, superhero learners. This is your cue, Shauna, coming at you live from beautiful sunny Florida. I was going to make my video from outside, but you can see just a few minutes in the humid heat, and I'm covered in sweat. You might hear in the background a dryer running, and you might hear a homeschool of wonderful children practicing a play. I am here for your briefing for your final mission number 5. This is the mission where we're going to prepare to share. I know that some of you are feeling a little bit concerned about how far you've come in your missions and what it is exactly you're going to share. This mission will totally break that down and explain to you exactly what you need to do. But I want to tell you 6 things that I want you to keep in mind as you work your way through this mission. Number 1 is our sharing at Shopify on June 13th. Will be in a safe and supportive space. The guests we have there want to see us succeed. There's nobody that's going to be there judging you. They are all there just to hear your stories and support you. Number 2, I will be sharing at the beginning and maybe a few times in the middle of our celebration, but I'm going to explain the process of the Passionate Learner Experiment, and I'm going to introduce each of you. So you don't have to worry too much about going into detail with those things unless that's something you really want to talk about in your sharing. Number 3, one of the main purposes of this whole project and this sharing is to help me answer my question from my passion project, which is, how can we change the world in 24 hours in an online course? Think about that when you're preparing your sharing. Point number 4 that I want you to consider is, while you're preparing your sharing, think about what worked for you, what you learned from this process, and how you've changed from the start of this process to where we're ending on June 13th. Number 5, think about how others can learn from you, what they can take from your learning and apply to their own lives. So you are thinking about how this applies to your life, but you can also relate for others how this can apply to their life and what bits of your learning they can use. And then finally, none of you are expected to be done anything. What you're going to share about is you're going to share about what will you take from this project, from this experiment, and keep using in the future, or what will you push further. So those are just some of the things I want you to think about. You will only be expected to present for 5 to 10 minutes. If you want a lot longer or a lot shorter, just let me know. Already my talking here has taken 3 minutes. So it's totally up to you how you share and what you share, but I do want you to keep all of those things in mind. Keep up the great work, superhero learners. I believe in you.